Hey guys, so I'm Utkarsh. I'm from C17. I take care of strategic GTMs at C17, and I'm gonna show you like how exactly we do outbound for all of our clients. So once we onboard a client, we have their onboarding form and we have a lot of data about them, and we usually start with really important thing, which is building a sales argument. Now, this sales argument is not absolute. It's just basically for us to understand more about the company, more about how it works, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna now, this is a GPT, and this is a Google Doc. So this GPT will give you 10 things about a company, starting with product overview, service overview, ICP, emotional and psychological profiling, 10 wants, 10 aspiration, 10 fears, 10 frustrations. It will give you core problems and solution, wherein like 5 problems, 5 solution, and 3 hyper specific outcomes, 5 pain points, and 10 D points. Desires and motivation, 10 desires, 10 wants, 10 needs, 10 stress point, 10 fears, 10 worries that keep them awake at night. You know, going from situation A to B with your services, then competitors, struggles, whatever. Again, this is not absolute. You should take this as a base to do whatever you want. So click on let's go. The first thing you want to do is this GPT will ask you three high level questions about your ICP. One is your product service, second is your ICP, third is your product service better than competitors. Okay, I have this extension which allows me to have a mic for GPT. It's basically mic for GPT, see, and then you can have it and install it. So I'm going to use it. Hey Chat GPT, so I help B2B companies book sales calls and generate leads via cold outbound, especially cold emails. My ICP is B2B companies, excluding cybersecurity companies, staffing companies, and other lead gen agencies. The way our service is better is we have tons and tons and tons of you know data sources for all of our clients, and we can launch a campaign right here right now. We also have case studies with prominent figure like Alex Ramosi, wherein we actually sent Alex Ramosi 7,000 leads in four weeks. So there's that. Or will be, yeah, whatever. You can just send it, and you will be also you also be this. Now it gives you each and every section. So it will start with for one section which is product or service overview. Now you need to keep giving inputs to the GPT. So let's say this GPT, this is good. I like it, but this is good, but this can be improved a lot. I want you to take a deep dive into the unconscious mind of the user on how you can actually help them sleep at night, because there's a problem they're facing which is keeping them awake at night. You have to be the solution, you have to be the cure, you have to be the psychiatrist, you have to be the doctor that can solve their problem. So really think like the persona, and then you just keep playing on with it. So see now it gives you a lot of things. Then I'll move to ICP, I'll move to this, and then you can eventually test it out yourself. So the problem: fear of empty pipeline, anxiety of missing targets, exhaustion and chasing leads from that go nowhere. Oh, that's sick. The pressure of proving ROI. CMOs and founders dread broad with real results to show we deliver metrics that CMOs book meeting. Wow, nice. You see this? This is really good, right? Okay, now, yes, GPT, this is perfect. Now let's move to next section, and then you keep on. Oh, yes, GPT doesn't matter. That's still okay. Let's move to the ICP. B2B companies, cybersecurity firms, excluding key decision maker, founder, CEOs, VP, sales, growth, CMOs, growth leaders, fintech, empty pipeline, whatever. I'm good with this. Just to show you, we'll move to next section right and right now. Okay, this is really good, GPT. I'm really proud of you. Now let's move to next section. Let it complete, which is basically I'll also copy the section name for that section. This. Oh wow, go, and then you can come in and always copy this, and then go here and paste it here. Not like this. I mean, like this always, and then boom, you have your very own sort of sales argument. And then you can also copy the persona and then paste like this, and then you can Go to profiling, and then that's how you fill up the sales document. Okay, let's now go with 10 wants. 10 wants, nice to have, they like, but not necessarily needed. So a fully booked calendar without lifting a finger. They love to lead away without constant hassle. Recognition as growth leader, quick wins to impress the board, sales team that run themselves, automated reporting with zero effort. Full of form applies, a trusted growth partner, more time strategy. So this is kind of a wants, like what a person handling outbound for a company or for themselves would want. Aspirations, become a go-to-market expert in an industry, driving record-breaking. So GPT is going crazy. Then fears, missing revenue targets, pipeline drying up, wasting money on agencies, reputation damage, being seen as bottleneck, team burnout. That's insane. Competitors outspacing them, stagnant growth, tech fatigue, losing their jobs. Wow, damn, that's insane. You see, and then you keep going on saying, "Hey GPT, I like this, whatever." Like, "Hey GPT, I really, really like this." You are, I think, 90% there, but you still need to think like a persona. You still need to think, what makes me stay away at night? Like, what is stopping me from going to peaceful and lovely sleep? Like, you need to be very, very specific, very, very exact on why am I having this chest in my pain and in my head about this problem. And then you can, always play around with it. Now, dark side of ICP's mind. That's good. 10 deep sleepless fears. What if this month we don't hit the quota? The panic of Saturdays dashboard at 2 a.m. This mind races. If you miss targets, what if, okay, 10 deep sleepless fears. What if this month we don't hit quota? The panic of start staring at a sales dashboard at 2 a.m. watching numbers. If we miss targets again, how do I face the team? What will the CEO think? Am I filling the job? Oh, that's oh shit. That's good. Am I just bad at this? The bad quarter far away, or competitors outspacing us? I'm burning my sales team. I don't know what broken. Oh, that's insane. Endless no's, worse, bad work, reps, wasted meeting that go nowhere, being changed to CRM. We wake up calendar full with qualified meetings or program with results. The work less. To be honest, that's insane. I'll copy this. And then you can, you know, keep doing this forever and forever again. And then there you have it. So if you have any doubts, you can always comment down below. And hopefully you are able to use this GPT a lot. If you want to understand where you can find this GPT, just go to GPT store and search for my name, Utkarsh, and you'll get this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and